If your Manscaped trimmer is fully charged but not working, it's likely due to the travel lock feature being engaged or a clogged trimmer. To resolve this issue, start by disengaging the travel lock. Ensure the device is switched off. Then press the power button 3 times in quick succession. You'll know the travel lock is off when the LED light illuminates downward. Next, press the power button once to turn on the trimmer. Additionally, cleaning the trimmer is essential. Hold it vertically with the blade facing you. Press the top until the blade disengages, and use the included brush to clean it. Then, use running water to clean the trimmer, making sure to dry it thoroughly before reattaching the blade. Once you've completed these steps, switch on your Manscaped and check if the problem persists. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix your fully charged but non-working Manscaped trimmer.